What's up guys, in this video I'll be showing you exactly what you need to do to permanently disable Aus Alert on your mobile device right now, so make sure you watch to the end. As you guys are aware, Aus Alert is Australia's new emergency broadcasting and alert system that broadcasts to every single mobile phone connected to a mobile phone tower, and a lot of Australians aren't happy with this new technology and they find it very annoying, and there is one main way you can permanently disable this on your phone, so I'll be showing you right now. This works on both iPhone and Android, but for demonstration purposes I'm using an iPhone, but the same system applies if you are on Android. All you guys need to do is navigate to the settings on your device, so of course navigate to the settings. Once you're in the settings tab, you need to scroll down and find the notification settings. It's pretty easy to find on the iPhone here, and it's pretty similar on Android as well. Once you have found the notification settings, just click on notifications and scroll all the way down, and you will see a specific Aus Alert section down here. All you need to do is toggle this button on and off. If you've never done this before, this will be toggled on your phone. That's the priority Aus Alert notification that will be toggled on. All you guys need to do is click this and make sure all these settings are toggled off. So the Aus Alert setting is right here. All you guys need to do is go to settings, notifications, scroll down, and you'll see the Aus Alert tab down here, and just make sure all these are turned off, and that will permanently disable Aus Alert on your phone, and now you will never receive any Aus Alert notifications. It's that simple and easy. I will note guys, your phone needs to be on the latest software version to see this Aus Alert setting on the phone. So if your phone isn't updated to the latest software, that's why you might not see it. Alternatively, if you can't do this, your only other option is to make your phone turn on airplane mode. That is the only other way. So just come here and turn your phone on airplane mode, and that is the only other way to disable Aus Alert. But with this option guys, it literally permanently disables Aus Alert, so you never have to worry about it ever again.